Yo, what's going on, guys? Back with another video, and today we are finally gonna be taking the Speed in to go get the hood painted. Yo, what's going on, guys? Back with another video, and in today's video I actually have a couple things I need to do today on the Speed, and I actually got something in the mail for it, and I finally got it back after 3 to 4, I think it was 3 days ago. It was Thursday, which is Sunday today, and I finally got it back Thursday, and I've been dying to show you guys what it looks like because it looks so sick. But anyways, guys, we have a couple things we need to do today, so I guess let's start. All right, I finally want to show you guys what the Speed looks like because it looks really sick. They did make this a little dirty. They dirtied up my handle, which I'm kind of butthurt, but it's all good because it's you're about to see what it looks like. But anyways, guys, this is what it looks like, which they actually did a very good job on the fiberglass that I'm actually surprised it looks this good. It looks really good. I only paid 600 bucks, so this is a pretty good paint job for $600. I just don't know how long it's gonna actually last, but I've been waiting for it to cure for about it's been like 3 days now, but I'm gonna let it cure for like a couple weeks to a month. So I'm not gonna be driving this so I don't get rock chips in it at all, because that's not gonna be great. So I guess let's start on what we're gonna do first. I am gonna take this off and black this out today, and then I actually have a couple other things that I want to show you guys. So that's one of them, which I need to open, but I don't have anything to open it with. So if you just painted your hood and you have a turbo in your engine bay, you're probably gonna want to do what I'm gonna be doing on the Speed. Ooh, it smells like metal. Smells like if you like put your tongue on a quarter or a penny, and that's what it tastes like, because it smells like that too. So this big ass thing is actually for my hood, so I can keep the hood cool, because I just painted it and I don't want it to get fucked up by the turbo, because since the turbo gets so hot and then you want to put that on, that is heat insulation, I think, so, and for sound, but I use it for heat. So I'm gonna put that on the hood so it won't get all hot and then start discoloring my hood and fading it, because that is disgusting, because I paid $600 for it. So now that I have sharp ass razors, I wonder if it actually cuts it, so when I actually put it in the hood, it will actually cut. Yeah, that cut easily, so I think we're golden, boys. I gotta see if I actually have paint so I can paint the grill on the, I actually do. But since we got paint, we got a stupid heat insulation thing, and now I gotta actually go and take off the hood scoop grill thing, because I wanna actually buy a new one that's like it's smaller little hexagons, but that's good for now. I wanna paint that black, so I'm gonna grab my tripod so I can set y'all up so y'all won't have a shitty angle. My $10 tripod. See how it has no insulation? That's what I'm trying to replace. I'm gonna probably just replace these and this, and just put a big ass strip right here, and then cut it out, and then put some tabs in here so it can hold on, you know what I'm saying? But I guess let's take those out probably, and then take out the grill, so. It's so easy. Pretty cool like that, but not gonna keep it like that because it looks kind of weird, to be honest. If I have a black grill, then I would use it, but whatever. It literally smells like metal in here, like pennies. Disgusting. Got the grill. Now all I have to do is, it's kind of cold, so I'll probably heat it up and then paint it since it's a grill. Ugh, geez, so many burps. I guess now while that dries, we're gonna actually try to install that and cut like a little bit off of it. But grill's looking perfect because it's so tiny, so you can just paint that thing like nothing. I think this thing will be good for heat. I mean, it's not bad for what it looks like. Looks like it'll help a lot. So I guess let's go take off the things that are on the hood, the OEM heat insulation padding that's on it, and then take those off and then start mocking this up and measure it and draw it out, I guess, because yeah, I'm just gonna cut it. AutoZone. I guess this one only has 3 tabs. Okay, that sucks. And then 3 on this one, so I guess let's go take them off and then start mocking up the heat insulation pad that I bought. Right now, I'm just guessing the size on this big ass insulation pad, and all I'm gonna do is, because since my hood's open and the latch is keeping it open, this thing's too big to actually mock it up to see how big I want it. So I'm gonna, it only needs like 1.5 feet of width, and then length is like 4 feet. So I'm gonna cut probably from right here and like to like half of this, and it should be enough to cover the back of the hood, and then I'll just mock up the rest. I'll just put it in little areas so it won't look, I don't want it to look tacky, but I'm just gonna do it.
One eternity later.
That's actually pretty straight. I think that's gonna be a perfect size for it to, so we can actually test fit it to see what it actually looks like. All right guys, I just finished putting it on. I'm gonna actually show you guys in a second, but this is the rest of it. I actually have like another half of the whole sheet. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I don't know if I'm gonna put some more in it, like just to like help a little bit more. I'm gonna check on the grill right now to see how it is, and then I'll show you guys what the insulation looks like on the hood. I don't know if it's dry. It's been like an hour, I think. It looks good enough to put in right now. It's a little sticky, but when I put it in, I'm not gonna be touching it, so it will dry. All right guys, so this is what it looks like. It actually looks really nice. At least it covers the whole entire hood. So let's see if the heat will actually absorb it so it won't get all hot on top of my hood, but we'll test that later when I actually drive it. But for now, let's install this hood scoop mesh grill, and then I forgot, I actually have to remove this LED light because I did install it. I haven't told you guys, but I installed it for the LED light in the hood instead of the intercooler. But I'm gonna probably put it right here now that this is flat. What if I just put it right here, since this is gonna stay on for a while, if I just put it on right here, it will be perfectly fine and light up the whole engine bay. So all right, so I decided that I'm gonna keep the grill out of the hood scoop so it can actually dry, because I don't want any of the black sticky paint to like stick onto the hood scoop paint, because on the back of it you probably can't see the black paint if it does stick, but I don't want to chance it, so I'm just gonna let it dry fully outside. And then I actually have to go pick up my bro Josh from his work, and then I'm gonna actually go and buy some 3M tape so I can place the LED strip somewhere else so it can glow up the engine bay. Plus, since I have that insulation shit, it's actually gonna glow it up a lot more because it's like a, what's that shit called? It like beams down. I don't know, never mind. Whatever, I don't care. So I did actually buy something for the Speed 3 from Cork Sport, which is gonna be, it's gonna be really dope. You guys can try to guess it in the comment section, but it's gonna be so sick. I've been wanting it for at least like 2 years since I've got the car, or ever since I actually found out about it. But I'm gonna be getting it. I'm gonna be making a video about it soon. It hasn't been shipped yet, but I am talking to Cork Sport about it. But yeah, soon it should be coming, and then I will show you guys what it is. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna be installing the LED strip, well, putting it somewhere else, and then I'm gonna install the grill back for the hood scoop. And then what else do we need to do? I haven't told you guys yet, but I do want to black out the door panels in the Mazda, and then also black out this this headliner, and then I do want to replace the seats because I know you could get Gen 1 seats in the rear, but the front, it bolts up only 3. So I do want to get bucket seats for the front, but I also want Gen 1 rear seats, which would be really cool for the Speed that since I have the 2nd gen, so it'd be really sick to have the 1st gen seats because those look a lot better than the 2nd gen, obviously. All right, so it's been a couple hours. I did finish the grill and it's pretty dry now, so got the insulation, gonna put the grill in, and I did locate the LED literally right here, so now you can actually see it a lot better. So I'll turn it on for you guys when I actually put the grill in, and then I'll turn it on and show you guys what it looks like. Look at that. Look, it's right there. Ooh, made some pretty good progress today. I'll probably fix this later, but this mesh piece, I'll probably buy a new mesh piece because this one's really weird. It's like only this big and it barely fits the insert of the hood scoop, so I'm probably gonna get a different one of those. But other than that, made some pretty good progress. Pretty proud of it. All right, now it looks good enough. I think so. I don't know why this hump does that, but it's whatever. It still looks perfect. You can barely notice it. But hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. We made some pretty good progress on the Speed today. The Beamer's gonna be here soon. I'm gonna be doing the interior very soon. I'm gonna be blacking it out, blacking the headliner out, and doing a bunch of stuff to the interior. So stay tuned for that, and also stay tuned for the thing that I ordered from Cork Sport. You guys can guess it, but I'm not gonna tell you. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, drop a thumbs up and subscribe, and also comment down below if you guys need help with anything, and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. So hopefully you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.